coming down, and I'll tell you, ANCAJAS has some nice speed, and a straight left hand drops him. How about that? Does this guy want to fight anymore or something?
Ngayong paparating na Disyembre 13 ay nakatakdang labanan ni Paul the Babyface Assassin Butler, ang tinaguriang The Monster ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue para sa Undisputed Bantamweight Championship. Isang napakalaking oportunidad para sa pambato ng United Kingdom na kasalukuyang may hawak ng WBO Bantamweight title. Sa kasalukuyan ay may record itong si Paul Butler na 34 wins, 15 via knockout at may 2 talo. Huling laban niya ay kontra sa Pinoy na si Jonas Sultan na kung saan nanalo siya via unanimous decision. Sa kanyang makulay na karera ay maraming boksidor na din ang nagpahirap sa kanya. At isa na nga dito ang pambato ng bansang Tanzania na si Falhili Majiha. 2019 nangyari ang kanilang laban. Bagamat nanalo si Paul Butler sa laban ay inamin naman niya na talagang nahirapan siya kay Majiha dahil matibay ito, mabilis, magaling din daw. Pero taong 2014 pa pala ay may Pinoy na pala na nagpabagsak sa boksidor na nagpahirap kay Paul Butler na si Majiha. Ito ay si Jerwin Pretty Boy Angcajas. November 2014 nangyari ang labang Angcajas versus Majiha. Undercard sila sa labang Manny Pacquiao versus Algieri. Ito din ang unang laban ni Angcajas under kay Manny Pacquiao, kaya naman gustong magpakita ito ng impresibong panalo. Dating Tanzania Professional Boxing Organization Flyweight Champion at Universal Boxing Organization International Flyweight Champion itong si Majiha. Bit-bit ng Tanzanian ang record na 15 wins, 5 losses, 4 dito tabla. Habang 29 wins, only 1 loss, 2 tabla naman si Angcajas. At sa laban ay talagang maaksyong palitan ng mga kamao ang makikita. Lalo na sa mga unang rounds ay talagang makikitang palitan ng mga kombinasyon ang dalawa. Gusto agad tapusin ang laban nila. Pero ang palaban na pambato ng Tanzania ay di umubra sa tibay at lakas ng suntok ng tinaguriang Pretty Boy ng Pinas. Tinapos ni Angcajas ang laban via knockout.
ANCAJAS has some nice speed and a straight left hand drops him.
Makikitang matapos bumagsak ang kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona ay tila nahiya nang bumangon itong pambato ng Tanzania na si Majiha. Sabay nating balikan ang maaksyong laban ni Jerwin Pretty Boy Angcajas kontra Falhili Majiha. Ating tignan kung paano kadaling tinapos ni Angcajas ang dating nagpahirap kay Paul Butler ng United Kingdom.
So have that to deal with these fighters at least. Well, who best handles fight?
Unang round bakbakan na agad. Palitan na agad ng mga solidong kombinasyon. Tila may lakad pa ang dalawa. Gusto na agad tapusin ang laban ng maaga.
Africa, Thailand, the Philippines, and now in China. God.
And it brings an
See the quick hands of ANCAJAS. He's not intimidated by ANCAJAS.
sticking it out there almost like a measuring stick.
Caught him with a good right hand that time. And that to him is a...
And that might be a problem for him here.
Yeah, but Diha has a tendency to lean in, and he drops hand. He'll drop it even more. And you're right. ANCAJAS will be able to land that right hand of his, and he just landed it up.
Weakness from the Tanzanian fighter, which he lost decisions on in his last two fights.
Yeah, in both those fights, he had to go on the road to that to the Philippines, to Thailand, and it's very tough to get it. All right, here we go. Colonel Bob.
Round 2 tuloy ang laban. Pareho pa ding agresibo ang dalawang mandirigma, pero mas accurate ang mga patama ng Pinoy.
The Philippines, the white trunks, fancy red trip.
It's also important to those Philippine fighters to do well on a Manny Pacquiao card because they know how many eyes on.
Ilang solidong kamao din ang tumama sa ulo ng kalaban na nagpaalog dito.
It didn't look that powerful, but it got him back on his heels. I think he was partially off balance. The local people here in the Cotai Arena want to see Rex Cho, and they want to see Kuku Ning, who they call...
Fight, and the Macau kid in another fight.
Right. And both of them can fight. And even when he threw that, that right hook, caught him with a nice right hook that time, spun the head of Majiha.
ANCAJAS fight now, and he's pushing Majiha backwards, and that is really helping him.
Yeah, Majiha's
Pati mga commentator ay nabilib sa performance ni Angcajas. Puro papuri na lang sila sa Pinoy.
solid left hand landed again.
I really love his right hook. Comes over the top.
Now he's only an inch taller, but he looks a lot taller than this guy, partially because of the way Mahia, and nice body shot this time, just before the bell by ANCAJAS. So I've got it 2018.
Third round palaban pa din itong si Majiha. Kahit ilang solidong kamao na ang sinasalo nito, ay patuloy pa din sa pagkikipagsabayan sa Pinoy.
Has been the heavier, which we haven't seen from ANCAJAS. There's that hook that you talked about, Rich, and it's a solid hook for ANCAJAS.
The busier Ancajas is, the better he is. Strategy that he used more in round 2, but it looks like he's trying to lure Majiha into some mistakes in this round.
We pointed out back in the first round, a lot of it has to do with the way he drops his left hand. You see, when Majiha throws his right hand like that.
At isang set-up na jab at sinundan ng left straight na suntok ang binitawan ng Pinoy na nagpabagsak sa wakas ng kalabang taga-Tanzania.
A straight left hand drops it. ANCAJAS has some nice speed, and a straight left hand drops it. How about that? Does this guy want to fight anymore? It's up to 5.
Tila sinubukan pa nitong tumayo pero talagang di na kaya at tuluyang humiga na lang ito sa ibabaw ng lona habang binibilangan ng referee.
How about that? Does this guy want to fight anymore? It's up to 5 and 10. A knockout in the third round, scored off and it was the left hand instead of the right hand of
Pressure punch throughout the fight had been the right hook, but that was a straight left cross, and it was a one-punch knockout. I think I've had enough of this.
Well, it worked out good for Jerwin and
Panalo ang Pinoy na si Jerwin Prettyboy Angcajas via third round knockout.
Your winner by way of knockout, ANCAJAS.
Good, and here you'll see the knockout. That's going to be one boom shot straight left cross. Knees crumpled, down he goes, flat in his back. He'll lay down completely prostrate here.
watch it again. Watch the left hand. Bang! Right there, right on the chin. And he crumbles down. Notice the way he stays up on his elbow and then
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.